This week's Parshas speaks about the giving of the Torah on Mount Sinai, national revelation. And Hashem told Moshe, go tell the Jewish people not to climb up onto the mountain. It's only made for you and a few special people. But everyone else should stay at the bottom, not to climb up. And you should actually make a fence so they shouldn't go up. And then Moshe told them not to go up, and he made this fence. And then he came up, and Hashem says, you know what, go back down and tell the Jewish people again. Warn them not to go up onto the mountain. Don't pass that fence. And Moshe's like, yes, I told them already. He said, no, go tell them again. Why is this so important, this fence, not to go up and to tell them again and again? You see, the Jewish people have a tendency to come close to Hashem. Jewish people always feel we want to come close to Hashem, and they see that God is on the mountain, all of them want to go up. Now Hashem told them, no, don't go up, it's only for Moshe, because maybe you won't be able to handle it. It's too much for you. And the Jewish people, by nature, say, we can handle it, we want this, we want to come even closer to Hashem. Hashem says, I know you. Moshe's on that level. He could climb up the mountain and really speak to me and be there all the time. You see, when people take upon themselves something, you get inspired and you want to take upon yourself something. You want to drop everything and just be involved in Judaism and learning and davening all day. And Hashem says, no, calm down. Take things easy, slowly, step by step. But no, I can handle it. I'm on fire. I'm inspired. The Jewish people were inspired then. But what happened 40 days later? They made the greatest mistake of history, serving the golden calf. Hashem says, I know my Jewish people. They love me. They want to run up. But I'm telling you, Moshe, go back down and warn them not to run up the mountain. When you have an inspiration, say, that was great. I had a great inspiration. I want to take upon myself something. But you know what? Take upon yourself something small, attainable. And step by step, slowly but surely, you'll reach the heights of our leader Moshe. Thank you, and good Shabbos. This week's Shabbos, the Traveling Hasidim will be going to two communities. We'll be once again visiting Ben Salem, Pennsylvania. We go there every year. And a new community in St. Louis, Missouri. We're very much looking forward. Have a wonderful Shabbos.
Shabbos.